The in-body mic of the DJI Osmo Pocket is actually pretty good when you're not in a windy surrounding. On DJI's official website, they actually show the official adapter for the microphone, which at the time of this video has not yet been released. But there were also some rumors floating around that with an adapter, a mic can be plugged into the Osmo Pocket by the USB-C port. Let's see if we can make that work. New intro. What's going on, everybody? Tem the Everything Man here, and no, today we are not filming in Peter Gregg's Christmas room. I'm just too lazy to take down my tree. It's January 6th, and I still haven't taken down my tree. I'm super lazy. But anyway, so I went online to try to get some kind of combo concoction for the DJI Osmo Pocket to be able to use an external microphone with it. And I found a few things. I picked up a few things that I thought would give me the best chances. So we're gonna take a look at those things here today and see if they actually work or not. So first I picked up this little microphone and headphone to USB-C adapter. Very inexpensive, cost me a few bucks, but I figured, hey, it has a USB-C adapter and it has a mic input. Let's see if it works. All right, so it's time to test out the little dongle. We're gonna plug it directly into the bottom of the Osmo, and then we're gonna plug in my Rode Video Mic Go and see if we get any audio out of it. So we have the Rode, and as you can see, it's tightly plugged into the bottom. I'm not really comfortable with this. I will hit the microphone on the Osmo, and it doesn't seem like this thing is working. So next up, I tried to get a little creative. I ordered this Lightning to USB-C adapter. So basically what it is UFC. Almost said UFC. So basically what it is a lightning in, so you plug anything with a lightning connector into the back, and then you got the USB-C in the front, and that would go into the bottom of the Pocket Osmo. And then I figured, why not match it up with the Rode Video Mic Me L, which is a microphone made specifically for iPhones. It has a little lightning port right on the bottom here, so it plugs right into the bottom of your iPhone, and you get much better audio out of it, and it really works. On top of that, to boot, just as icing on the cake, it has a little headphone jack in the back. So if you do get to plug it into something that works like an iPhone, you could also monitor your audio. And if this combo right here works with the Osmo Pocket, then that's a pretty phenomenal combination to have with that great camera on the top and this great audio on the bottom. So hopefully it works. Let's try it out. All right, we're all plugged in here. You can't see it, but let's see if we can pull the, I don't want to bend it. I don't think tapping on the Rode. Now I'm tapping on the Osmo. I'm losing confidence. I don't think this is gonna work. I really thought that was gonna work. So at this point, I'm pretty much accepting the fact that I'm gonna have to wait for an update or the official accessory straight from DJI to get better audio out of this thing. But I'm gonna try to see what I can do in the meantime as kind of a band-aid, just to minimize the wind noise at least a little bit. So I have a third option, I had a third idea. So I have a few of these small little adhesive wind muffs that I guess were made for like either a smartphone microphone or a point and shoot. I picked them up for the Sony RX100 Mark VI, and they did a pretty good job. They are a little big, even for the RX100, and they're huge for the DJI Osmo Pocket. If you look at that tiny little microphone hole there, and then you look at the size over here compared, it's gonna cover up way too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this down, and I'm also gonna cut up one of these adhesive circles that come with these little microphone wind muffs, and we're gonna see if we could at least cover this up a little bit. It's not gonna fully do the trick, but at least it'll minimize the wind a little bit. In my head it will. So let's jump into that real quick. So as you can see, we have it on there. We got the little wind muff attached on there. It's on there securely. And in case you're wondering, yes, it does fit right in the case. No problems. Doesn't peel it off at all. So we're good. It's a help. It's a band-aid. It's a little bit of a crutch. It's something. It's something. So that's it for today. I tried to come up with a solution. Sorry I couldn't be of more help for a solution that we are all currently looking for. Everybody that owns the Osmo Pocket is looking for at this point. And DJI needs to kick it into gear and hurry the freak up over here. This is getting to take too long and we're getting impatient. We love the Osmo Pocket, most of us do, but the audio, it needs to be fixed. It's a big problem, so hurry it up. So let's speed that up. DJI. Maybe you came up with a microphone solution of your own. If you did, please join the conversation below. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @the_everythingman. If you are not yet subscribed, please do so. It'll be highly appreciated. Until next time, this is your boy. This is your man, Tam the Everything Man, signing out. Salute.
Raise your hands up! Raise them up! Raise them up!